I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to curve text in Affinity Studio. Step 1. Open the image you want to add curved text to in Affinity Studio, and then click to select the Layout view in the menu at the top of the screen if it isn't selected already. Step 2. Click the Picture Frame Ellipse Tool icon in the column of icons on the left side of the screen. This icon features a circle with a line through it. Left-click and hold your mouse button anywhere on your image, and then drag your mouse to create a circle. Step 3. Click the Artistic Text Tool icon in the column of icons. Hold your cursor at a point on the outer edge of the circle you created until you see a T with a wavy line, and then left-click your mouse. You'll see a text cursor inserted on the circle near a green flag, which represents the starting point for your text, and a red flag, which represents the ending point for your text. Step 4. You can use the Text Editing Tools menu on the screen to change your font, font size, font color, and more. You can flip and reverse your text path by highlighting your text and then clicking the Reverse Text Path icon in the text editing row. You can rotate your text by clicking inside of your text so that you see a box show up around it, holding your mouse cursor over the dot extending from the top of the box until you see a curved arrow pointing both directions. Click and hold that dot and then move your mouse. You'll see your text move around the circle. Stop when you get your text positioned where you want it to be. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.